Big hands.
They're upside down.
You go to a
Huh?
Hold it. Let's go again.
comedy show.
Where?
The Harris.
What time?
Mom, ride the coaster.
What time, Mom? What time is it?
1 and 3.
I don't know.
I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
Eifel Tower.
I'm cool with it now.
Dude, it's like 10,000.
Look at it over there, Jay. No, we're just gonna go halfway.
Oh, there's a restaurant halfway.
Can we eat there?
It's a big M&M. Shoot. Must you really? Must have sucked.
That looks so cool here. Why don't we stay there?
Because it was very difficult to get the room we got.
Another one, dude.
What'd you get, Jay?
I'm up.
What is it, Jared?
Another one.
Jared, what is it?
I found it.
Oh, look at Polo Towers. Polo
Lamborghini.
Dude, look at this.
What?
These car rental places.
Yeah?
Look at these cars, dude.
Let's go look at them.
Is that a Lamborghini?
I don't know. Let's go look.
That's like a Porsche.
Lots of
Mom, look at those
construction.
cars.
Go look.
Dude, that's a freaking Ferrari F430.
Yeah. Should we rent it?
Yo, this is like this is an F430.
Are you sure?
Oh my god, dude. I bet you $5 is an F430.
Don't say.
$20 for a picture. Yo, Jay, how you feeling about that still? Feeling good? About the Eifel Tower?
Scary, Jacob? He said it's scary?
Yeah, he said scary. I'm kind of cool.
Do it again. Woo!
I'll do it. Ready?
That was weak.
Here you go, Jay.
What?
This no more. Me and Jay just stay right here. Long way up, my brother. A long way up.
Watch out, Jared.
Wow. Brooke, get pictures up.
Oh God. Spooky's hanging out.
Ooh.
What, Harley? Well, quit staring, Harley.
Nasty.
Harley's going, look!
Mommy, can I take pictures of?
Want to take pictures or video, Harley?
I'm recording. Jared. Hello.
Come on, please.
Good. AJ.
Do you mind holding that?
Dad.
Yes. Who is that, Harley?
I don't know. My drone. It's a blue man. Look how pretty that is.
Give me a kiss, Jared.
No, can't do it.
Let's go.
Hey, Dad, you want a picture in front of it?
Fun, it just is a rain show.
Can we do it?
It's free. Yeah.
Aladdin's better, Dad?
Yeah, that's where Mike Rowe was.
Well, my girl was here, dude. I remember.
It looks just like this. Oh, Sol mio. Isn't that how they sing it? Sing it, Jared.
You just go like,
Hold on, tracks.
He's singing. Yeah.
Hey, yo, Jay, just yell out. Start singing, Jay.
Let's do it.
I just did, man. I did it.
I'll go loud, dude. You dare me to go loud?
Go.
Stop, you're making it sound better.
Is the boat on tracks?
No, it's floating.
How does he get it like perfect over there?
Because he's got that stick.
Oh, can we go on one of those boats?
We do that? I'll fit on one.
Nori, the swearing.
It'll be fine. Move, Jared.
I'm really nervous. I just get this.
Alright, I'm just gonna chill right here.
Chill.
Enjoy the view, guys.
Thanks. I'll stop.
Oh, God.
Welcome to the Eiffel Tower. You can like you're recording on the way to the top.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Gustav Eiffel, designer of the original Eiffel Tower. My greatest achievement towers 75
Jesus
glorious
Christ.
stories over the
hope you're
River
not
Seine
going
in
to hide,
Paris,
we are not
and
going
when
back down.
built was the
We're not?
world's tallest
And so
structure.
you are all the way to the
300
top.
steel workers used 2.5
Yeah, well,
million
guess what?
rivets
I'm afraid
for
of
its
heights.
construction, turning my dream
Let's have the
into reality
Hold you.
in
How tall is it?
under 2 years.
50 floor.
50 floors, Jared.
How tall is the
Everything
original?
sexier in Paris.
Harley, stand up.
Includes the view you're about to see.
You too?
I'm not getting out of the
But
elevator.
it's best shared
No, I'm not.
with someone
You have to.
special.
Yeah,
It's a
just don't go
moment
back
in
down.
time that will stay with you forever. As we continue our ascent, you'll begin to
Huh?
see
When
the
are we about to be
spectacular
there?
strip and the surrounding Las Vegas Valley
You're already
below.
halfway.
We're getting
We're only
close now.
halfway.
I must warn you, the view at the top may sweep you off your feet. It's been known to have intoxicating effects.
Yeah, this is
In
9 floors.
1984,
Get out of my
a British
face.
man and
I'm sorry,
woman
50.
jumped off the original
I said 50,
Eiffel
right?
Tower to celebrate
50.
their love.
Take a-
No, you said 9,
What's wrong?
Dad.
Look at me.
Don't worry, they
I
have
can see it.
parachutes.
That's cool.
What you think, Harley?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Look
we've
out.
arrived.
Is that a Hilton?
Watch your step as you exit.
Is it snowing at the top?
And enjoy the view.
I guess you're not.
No, the kids are.
Hey, Jack. Jack. You excited about this dinner tonight?
Said don't touch the lens.
Yes, Jay.
You excited?
Yes.
Get your Bob Marley shirt on. AJ, what's up?
Not much. Hey, there's another limo.
Hey, Dad. You sad about this dinner? Sad about this dinner tonight?
Yeah. And we're bungee jumping. And Jay, you're coming.
Come on, guys.
Dishes features
Where's Brooke?
barbecue.
Hey, that music! We're in Las Vegas! Viva Las Vegas!
Isaac.
We're just walking right now.
Did we just come this way?
Yeah, we're gonna head. We just came here to see what time the shows are.
Oh, so where are we going now?
Look, Dad.
Yeah.
So after this, what do we do?
Right here?
Yeah. This one or that hole. Right here in this area. Because I remember watching the fountains. Remember?
Mm-hmm. It's way down there.
It is.
Do they do the fountains during the day?
Some towers higher.
Yeah, great, nice to know.
You know what, Dad? It looks like the Bellagio fountains.
Put those up.
Get away.
Come here.
Come on, Jay.
There's stairs right over there, Jay.
I'm coming up this way.
All right, do something cool. You haven't done nothing yet.
I have.
Look, it's your idea. Get up there, sucker.
No, no. It's
Get
your,
up here.
come on, Jay. I yelled.
We're walking off.
I danced. It's your turn. If you don't do nothing, you're stupid.
Stop,
Brooke,
Jay.
come on.
Brooke ain't getting up there. She ain't crazy.
If I do, I'm just gonna do like a belly flop.
All right, let's go. That was a waste.
Get that like a little wiener.
Feel better, Mom?
Yes, much better. You don't hurt it anymore? Not tired.
Dad, you know what I'm gonna do, crazy?
Where's your jacket? Get your jacket. What you gonna do, crazy?
When we get to the hotel, I'm gonna dance in the lobby.
Oh, but you won't get on the stage back there?
No.
Chicken.
Dude, you know how many people are with this?
Where's it going?
We are in Las Vegas. Hello, Baja.
Hello. Party. What?
There's Jerry.
Crashing down. It'll be all your fault.
Dude, look behind you. And that's 8. Oh, yeah, we're in Las Vegas.
It's a cool city. And it flows through this little fake city tower thing.
You do not have to
Sorry.
touch that.
Sorry.
Touch it again, I'm taking it from you.
I've seen so many stuff on TV shows. Come on, honey, get up.
I'm coming. Hey, Mommy.
Hi, honey.
I don't think it rains in here.
Oh, it's a ladder.
Hey, Jared.
Sorry.
Come with me.
Harley,
It's like dead steel.
go give him that. Hold it out and see if we'll grab it from you. Look, they're scared.
You're supposed to give it to him.
No, he didn't move. He didn't take it. He's like dead still.
He's good. Hey, you want to see him move? Go take all that money. He'll move.
Yeah, one buy ticket. And then turn back.
You. Here, go ask him.
Where's the thunder and stuff? I wonder.
Okay, this is
There it is.
Oh, God. Now it's getting dark.
It's getting them. Jacob, get out.
It's misting, yo. It's like floors.
This isn't satisfying. So good wait. I got a drop in my mouth.
Raining.
Yes, got another one. What is that? Yes. Try to I got one. Here. Mom, can I take a picture?
That's an awful bright light.
That's pretty cool.
What you think?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
What do you think, Jared?
What?
What do you think?
It's horrible so far. It's barely even raining.
I think it's about to stop.
Yeah, me too.
I'm done.
What's up, AJ?
Just shopping for knives.
Yeah, I got you.
What are you doing? Go, go, go. Go, Jared. Go, Jared. Go, Jared.
Go, Jay, go, Jay.
Do your thing, Jay.
I go there. Are your criminal style? How much are those brass knuckles?
That water like ate my titty. Give me the water.
Three? Jay wants three.
Hi, Daddy.
Let me see. What'd you get? Let me see, Harley. What's it say?
Irish princess.
Say
Find anything, AJ? Let me see, bro. Sweet.
Say crepes. Say I love crepes. Say crepes.
Yeah, let's go. Come on, old man. Jacob's about to pass out. What's up, Big Jer?
son. What?
Oh no. Look at this.
Oh, my shoe!
Look at that pipe.
Colin?
No.
We're gonna have to call someone out here. Just jump on the. You jerked on his shoelaces. Just hop up there, Jay.
Okay.
Just hop up there and start climbing.
Okay. When I get my shoes.
Come on. Hi, Debbie.
Down there. Whoa. Can't even see the bottom.
Hey, you can.
What? Jay, Dad,
Huh?
what if someone was to like fall down?
You might get killed.
What?
You might get killed. A lot of concrete, huh?
Just drop in right there.
You would.
You ain't getting up there.
Really? I want to save pictures for the Grand Canyon too.
Save some pictures for the chicks. I want to take one.
Get the Hoover Dam to take a picture.
What you think, Rick? Huh? Cool.
I'm making everything shiny.
Hoover Dam shiny?
Look.
Sweet.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, what?
Can I video
No.
Dad,
Yes.
get a picture of me over here. Ciao.
Picture? A lot of water.
Hey, yo, this dude's bananas. Back down, Jay. I'm gonna throw you over the edge. Watch out, dude.
Jay, away from the street. What?
Man,
Harley.
how deep do you think this is? If you were
It's
to
a lot of
jump
water,
off
huh?
this, you'd die.
What?
Green.
Just from like the straight up impact of the water.
Like my purse.
Yes, you would, dude.
Mommy, I got it.
No matter if you hit water, it still hurts. And if you go.
Dad, you want to go in there?
I do.
I don't care, Brian.
Jared,
It's Hoover Dam.
towers over there?
There?
No. Either
That?
these two there or
Those two?
there. Yeah,
Are those two? Yeah?
that's probably where they were.
The Altamart? How'd they make that? Did they like make robots on it? Like computerized it. Oh yeah, like a fake one?
We're on level 3A, Dad. Parking.
Okay. Go.
It was good outside today.
That's Hoover Dam. Is the part where they filmed Transformers at. Bless you.
What you got to say today, Jared?
Oh! Get away from the edge. That's what I got to say. Can we go down there?
I don't think that we're allowed down there.
Look!
Oh, well, maybe we are. I don't know. Let's see. What, man?
We didn't get to do that last time.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, peek over the edge. You won't. You won't. Yeah.
I'll take over the edge.
No, I'm saying right here.
What?
Where's the eagle he was talking about?
Here, I'll show you. Come up here. Sure.
All right, come on up here. Don't be shy. I'm a friendly native. Okay.
I'm friendly native.
I like that look on your face. That was classic. Oh, that was good. You looked at me like he just did not say that.
Okay.
Where are you guys from? What part of Texas? Man, why did you say Central? Dallas, Fort Worth, Austin. Ah, there you go. You love what? Skater Shack. Hey, I got those same shoes. Yeah, I do. Wow. Is that mine or newer? Oh. I'm kidding, I'm teasing. No, I got those same shoes, I really do. That's kind of freaking me out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, come on over here. Pull up a rock. I'll be more than happy to share some stories with you. This place is known as Sanyua because of the Eagle Formation, which is right over there. Okay? Now, the Grand Canyon is behind you. But one thing about the Grand Canyon I do want to tell you, it extends over 200 miles. Alright? And 108 of those miles belong to the Hualapai Nation. The Hualapai Nation own over 1 million acres surrounding the Grand Canyon itself on this side of the canyon, okay? Now, if you take a look at it from this side, and it kind of seems like when you're from this side...
Can we walk over there?
Yeah, we're gonna... Hi, Mama.
Okay.
This was supposed to be more.
You know what? I ain't leaving here without a picture of the glass and the look. They're making it more. Look.
What? Yeah, you see the big photo up there? Where?
Over there?
Jared, when we exit the Grand Canyon, do you want to sit by me again?
What, Harley?
I was asking Jared something.
I know, I didn't ask you that. Come here, Jay. Come over here and you can see. Harley, Jacob, come here.
Do it, AJ.
Stay. That's crazy, isn't it?
No, I know.
You gotta find the rest.
Oh, y'all going out to the edge?
We set up at the building on the left.
No, the best one.